Hi folks, we're going to take a look at 3b from page 578. So they give us this function h and they want us to find h prime at 8. So of course the first thing we have to do is find the derivative, and then once we have the derivative function we can input 8. Alright, so let's find h prime at t. Alright, so here I notice that I have the logarithm of this logarithmic expression. All right, so it looks like we're going to have to use the chain rule here. So my inside function that I'm going to call u is just log base 2 of t, and then I'm taking log base 3 of that. All right, so chain rule says first take the derivative of the outside function. So the derivative of log base 3 of u is just 1 over u times ln 3. So 1 over u here is log base 2 of t, and then I multiply that by ln of the base, which is 3. Okay, and now I'm going to multiply that by the derivative of the inside function, and this here I can do directly because the derivative of log base 2 of t is just 1 over t times ln of the base. In this case here it's 2. Okay, so let's simplify this. In fact, there's really not much to simplify other than multiplying these two fractions, and it's just a matter of multiplying 1 times 1 and then the denominators. So I think I'm going to go straight to determining h prime at 8. So I'm just going to input wherever I see a t, and I'm going to input an 8. Okay, so I have 1 over, so log base 2 excuse me, of 8 times ln 3 times t equals 8, and then times ln of 2. Okay, now we can do some simplifying here because log base 2 of 8 is actually a nice logarithm. Because remember what log base 2 of 8 represents. It represents the power of 2 that's equal to 8. So this is just equal to 3. Okay, then I've got my 8 here, and then I've got my 2 natural logarithms. So ln 2 times ln 3. And so if we just simplify that, and this is about as far as we can go, is it's going to be 1 over 24 ln 2 ln 3. Okay, now notice how I put these natural logarithms in brackets just to make sure I don't accidentally bring something into a logarithm that shouldn't be there. All right, so just to do a quick recap, step number 1 was to realize that we had to find the derivative function before we could then input the specific t value to find what we were looking for. And in order to find this derivative, we needed to use the chain rule. Okay, where this inside function and this outside function, log base 3, needed to use the rules for differentiating logarithmic functions. Okay, that's it for this one.